What do you think? I lost the lip. The lip is gone over here somewhere. I seen pieces of the lip as I was pulling up. Yeah. So that means it had to break here. It made it the whole way and broke here. See?
Well, if it broke here, we would probably throw more of the pieces.
Yeah, it probably broke along the way. Yeah. Well, it lived a good life.
Yeah, you want to keep a piece of it?
Yeah, I give this away to somebody. So the dude in the Jeep was looking the whole time like, oh, nah.
Oh my God.
He was like, oh, this is it. He's about to get stuck. He's about to get, wait, what? Not stuck? Yo, these tires are fire, man. Well, I guess by all the snow on the window, you can tell what video this is going to attempt to be. I'm going to attempt to fish the BMW M340 out of this parking spot. Rear wheel drive, but summer, winter tires. Stay tuned. All right. Oh, we going. Oh. Oh, these winter tires is no joke already. Hold up. All right, so I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's do it. Get out of the hole. Look at that. Look at that. There should be little clips or something that maybe we could tap into.
Yeah, because you want to think like, how can I say, like, it kind of detaches. It might be some clips.
Like all of the 435 parts, I got a 340 now.
Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah, so I got rid of that.
Yeah, because I was thinking.
I think everything I own has to make it in the snow at least once or twice or the whole season. Back to the channel, another vlog. Today, y'all already know, the GoPro done conked out on me. The drone ain't even want to boot up. I got the A6400, I ain't even trying to kill that. So I got the phone out here, old school. But I know y'all wasn't expecting to see this. I know y'all wasn't expecting to see this. Rear wheel drive, M340, making his own snow mound. Take a walk with me, I'm gonna show you. Show you a little bit of, I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I did, and then I'm gonna show you the video footage. But winter tires put on because, yo, I don't know how I would have did this. Look at that, M340 right there, sitting clean. That's mine with the rear wheel drive. I did my little snow plow thing today. This wasn't plowed at all. I did this, DSC off. Now this was plowed. Let's give it a go. Definitely chunky too. She chunky, look at, woo! Look at that. Shout out to Keys Motorsports because this thing has been plowing snow all day. This lit, plowing snow and it's still on. Shout out to Keys, baby. Get up there. It's about to get crazy. Nothing about rear wheel drive again, baby. We're gonna go DSC off. I'm gonna try to get a better angle because we about to go in forbidden territory. That's nice. You gotta pardon me, I don't know where the curbs are. Woo, where the curbs? Where the curbs? We just killed it. Rear wheel drive. Rear wheel drive for the win. We just made our own plow section. Let me show you. This is what we just did right here. Everything done died. I didn't expect to have this much fun. So I'm gonna clip the video right here. And maybe I might pull one of you guys out here, teach you guys how to spin a little bit. So we'll see.